Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu. Inspects of Mandlovu disapproval Zetulele invite Sibongile to the ground-breaking ceremony. Lindo and Lindiwe record Clive naked and splattering. He agreed to pay them off. They swear their housemates to secrets, but Tandegile shared the clip with her friends. While Zetulele wants to kill Nozinho after Nozinho comes to Zetulele to collect the money. And Zetulele call Kulego for getting a gun so that he will kill Nozinho. And Nozinho swear that if Zetulele does not pay her, he will spy on Nzwandile that Zetulele kill Slindile. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.